So my name's Stephen Tait. I'm a professor of mitochondrial cancer biology within the School of Cancer Sciences. Today I'm going to talk about mitochondria and how they regulate cell death and how that impacts on cancer. The vast majority of cancers are treated by therapies that kill cancer cells. And as a lab, we're trying to understand exactly how those therapies work, how they kill cancer cells, and more importantly, how some cancer cells can evade those therapies, how they can avoid cell death. By understanding that, our goal is then to develop better cancer treatments that we can then use in the clinic. When we're treating cancer, it's not a case simply of how many cancer cells or what percentage of cancer cells we kill. It's about this idea, how can we manipulate the type of cell death to invoke an immune response? I think that's one kind of key aspect of what my research is trying to understand, exactly how we engage anti-tumor immunity and the signals that are released in the dying cells. So that's one area. The other avenue that we're very interested in is we found that in cells that signal this kind of cell death process but survive, that can actually promote cancer. And so we're very much interested in investigating that in the context of different cancers. How important is that? And again, can we potentially therapeutically target that process to stop cancer from developing in the first place? Top level, we work on a type of cell death called apoptosis. It's where cells commit suicide. And in that process, in all our cells, we have little organelles we call mitochondria, and they power life, so they generate energy. But it's been known for several years now that they also become leaky as a cell dies. They release proteins that then go on and kill the cell. And so we're really focused on understanding these fundamental processes with a view of taking that kind of basic biological mechanisms and saying, right, we have a protein target, can we then develop a drug against that target and improve cancer treatment? One of the biggest findings we've made is that as mitochondria become leaky during cell death, they induce inflammatory pathways. And we found a way to switch the type of cancer cell death to use that inflammation to actually drive this particular form of cell death. You now then get the body to mount an immune response against cancer. And so now we engage anti-tumor immunity, which I think is really cool. We've switched one form of cell death to another. Not only do we kill the cancer cell, but we alert the immune system to the presence of cancer. And so we're really excited about this. There's quite a big drug discovery effort now within our institute to really understand, can we now then therapeutically exploit this? It's phenomenal college. Love working in MVLS. It's very collaborative, so between schools we have this mitochondrial network set up. That's just one example of it. It's very easy to collaborate between schools. We have access to high-end equipment. It's very much cutting edge as well, and very supportive colleagues. And so it's a fantastic college to work in. And Glasgow is a great city to be in as well, so thoroughly recommend it.